Good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. It's a really cold, nipply morning this morning. It's a bright, cheery -1 degree. Went for a drive this morning out into the forest to pick out some hunting spots for next week. So this week, no hunting videos, but next week, absolutely for certain, we're going to have some hunting videos. Today, we're going to finish out this bloody greenhouse. It needs to be accomplished. We are well into winter and I need this greenhouse completed. It's partly done, but it's going to take several hours. Brought a buddy of mine with me. I'll make him do all the slave labor work because, you know, that's what slaves are for. You keep them working. So at any rate, there's nothing really to show in the Oasis. It's been stripped bare. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll give it a walkthrough and see how the greenhouse goes. I'll try and remember to record some of what we're doing on the greenhouse today and get it all covered so that you can see how it's coming together. And give a tour of the Oasis tomorrow morning. Covered in frost. We'll get out here nice and early as the sun comes up. Sun's coming up late. It's really low in the sky. And yeah, it's already past 9 a.m. Today is Saturday, October 24th. It is the 24th of October, and it's cold. First frost has hit us right on cue, as it was supposed to. Wipe out all the rest of the plants, and I gotta get my peppers into the greenhouse before they die on me. It wasn't a hard frost last night, but it was a frost. So, at any rate, without further ado, let's get the Oasis opened up and start working.
Where the beer's always cold and the music's always hot, where working man can make it to the top. From the highest mountains to the lowest plains, from the fields of hay to the San Francisco Bay, where the rubber meets the road and the nail meets a hammer, where the sound of traffic spreads far and wide. The bricks were laid in the USA. The bricks were laid in the USA. Bricks were laid in the USA. It took a whole lot of sweat and a whole lot of pain. Where there's a place to escape they call Neverland, where a man can speak his mind so others understand. Cape Canaveral, rockets blast into space. From coast to coast, a place we all embrace, where a man with a load can find a helping hand. When it comes to war, we make a stand. The bricks were laid in the USA. The bricks were laid in the USA. The bricks were laid in the USA. It took a whole lot of sweat and a whole lot of pain. Where the trains never stop, they run night and day. With those of faith are free to pray. From a soup kitchen, many a man is a. From a platform you can run as a candidate. Where a man with the talent is allowed to create. Where we all sit and cheer, waiting at home plate. Bricks were laid in the USA. Bricks were laid in the USA. Bricks were laid in the USA. It took a whole lot of sweat and a whole lot of pain. Bricks were laid in the USA. Bricks were laid in the USA. It took a whole lot of sweat and a whole lot of pain.
Savannah's up, the top is down. Wayfarer shade my bell.
Georgia plates are rocking to that squeaking her old Chevelle. I'm a drinking whiskey, baby. Miss Molly's doing fine. She takes the wheel and leads me to a place beyond the pines. Georgia, baby, Georgia. Hey, hey, you're rocking that sass and vine. Me and Bill, Kenny, Red, Chevelle, yeah, running on Georgia time. Got a Molly, sure likes Jekyll, but Molly, she can't hide. I tip my hat to Georgia, baby, rolling that Southern pride. Yeah, I'm a drinking whiskey, baby, on a smoky toky mountain high. An aviator trooper, black and whites with my supply. Pop the trunk, he tax my junk, yeah, 50 let it slide. A bright Savannah lawman's a rolling good old Southern pride. Georgia, baby, Georgia. Hey, hey, you're rocking that sass and vine. Me and Bill, Kenny, Red, Chevelle, yeah, running on Georgia time. Golly, Molly sure likes Jekyll, but Molly, she can't hide. I tip my hat to Georgia, baby, rolling that Southern pride. Golly, Molly loves her soul, a fat bass is where it's at. From mighty to low drum beat and a blues riff on a sax, soul brother echoes through that. Stand to Georgia pines, James Brown on the 8-track on that road up to Caroline. Georgia, baby, Georgia. Hey, hey, you're rocking that sass and vine. Me and Bill, Kenny, Red, Chevelle, yeah, running on Georgia time. Golly, Molly sure likes Jekyll, but Molly, she can't hide. I tip my hat to Georgia, baby, rolling that Southern pride. Come on down to Georgia, baby, we pray her Southern pride steals your heart and carves it to that stand of Georgia pine. Hey, yeah, Georgia, baby, Georgia, yeah, yeah, a place beyond the pines. I tip my hat to Georgia, baby, rolling that Southern pride. Rolling that Southern pride, Georgia pine.
You know my baby bought a damn skateboard. I wish it could have been a Chevy or a Ford. She liked to leave it at the top of the steps. You know someday we're gonna break our necks. If she don't lose it like I said she should, I'm gonna turn it into firewood. I told my baby it was skateboard or me. Now I'm a crying cause she's setting me free. I said we're skating, better get to work. She said fuck off, I'm a goddamn jerk. If she don't stop her silly little thing, I'm gonna smash the goddamn thing. She likes to ride it at the shopping mall. She's riding up and down the 10-foot wall. I wish she'd come back and please be mine. She told me skateboarding ain't no crime. She's a bobbing on a silly little rig, twice as faster than a Russian leg. She rides a